Welcome back to another video. Sit back, relax, enjoy the show. MeiaSoQuick with the uploads. Intro's over. Subscribe before you go.
Welcome back, everybody. It's MeiaSoQuick, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a tasty and tart lemon curd. All right, so first thing, let's go over all the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need 1 cup of white sugar. You also need 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, and you can pretty much get this just using the zest off of 2 lemons. You'll need 6 egg yolks. You'll also need a ½ cup of lemon juice, and I suggest you actually juice fresh lemons. It's much better than the actual, bottled lemon juice that could be really, really acidic. So I would just say go ahead and juice some lemons. After you zest the lemons, just go ahead and juice those same lemons. And the last thing you'll need is a ½ cup of butter that's gonna be unsalted, and you want it to be cold. So you just keep it in the refrigerator until you're actually gonna use it. Okay, so now that we have all our ingredients, let's go into actually making this lemon curd. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is I'm gonna take my zest and my sugar, and I'm gonna place that into a blender, and I'm gonna pulse that a couple times until everything, all that sugar and all that zest is completely mixed in together. So now that all my ingredients are prepared, I'm gonna go ahead and strain my egg yolks into a pot. And once they're into a pot, I'm gonna take a whisk and I'm going to beat those egg yolks. Once I've got them whipped up like so, I'm then going to take my lemon zest and sugar mixture that we pulsed earlier and blended together. I'm going to start whisking that into the egg yolks. And what you want to do is you want to continue to mix until the mixture comes to a lighter color, like almost like a banana-y type of color. And once you've got it at that color, you're ready to move on to our next step. So next, you want to grab your lemon juice, and you're going to start stirring that in gradually into your mixture of egg yolks, sugar, and your lemon zest that we've already mixed together. So just gradually start stirring in that lemon juice, as you can see. Now, once it's all whisked together, we're gonna go ahead and put that on heat. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my pot over to my stove, and I'm gonna place it on low heat. Now, you might be here for a while, so I wanna constantly stir, just stirring up that mixture, all right, while it's on low heat. And like I said, you wanna do this until your mixture starts to thicken. So just be patient, because depending on the temperature that you set it at, it might take a while, all right? You'll know that your mixture is ready when you can dip a wooden spoon into the pot and you pull it out, and there won't be any drips. So like the curd, the lemon mixture, will just stay where it sets at on the spoon. So if it's not, then like I said, you just keep it on the heat, and you just go ahead, keep stirring and letting it thicken up. So now that our mixture has thickened up, we can go ahead and remove it from the heat. All right, so our next thing is ready to add in our cold butter. So go ahead and grab it out the refrigerator. And what you wanna do is add the butter cold and cubed. So pretty much what you're just doing is just slicing your butter into little cubes, okay? That's gonna make it easier to blend into our mixture, all right? And you definitely wanna make sure that it is cold. The next thing you can do is transfer the mixture into, if you're gonna be using a jar, or if you're gonna be placing this into a bowl, maybe if you're gonna be using this for a cake, you can go ahead and strain that mixture and place it into whatever receptacle it's gonna stay in. However, if you are gonna place it into a bowl, make sure that you wrap it in plastic wrap, not the lid, but you actually want the plastic to sit on the surface of the actual curd, because if not, it's going to develop a skin, and you don't want that, right? So if you have a jar that's all the way to the top, it's perfect. But if not, you wanna just go ahead and put a little bit of plastic, just like I said, so that it'll touch, you want it to touch the whole surface of the curd, so it's not being exposed to that air and forming a hard skin at the top. So once you've got that in a sealable container, you can go ahead and refrigerate this curd, and you want to refrigerate it for at least 6 to 8 hours, okay? For my curd, I'm gonna be using this on a lemon cake recipe, so you guys can stay tuned for that you will see in my upcoming video. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you guys will hit the subscribe or like this video if you actually like this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. All right,